Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet points. Trust Wallet points are a fantastic way to get more from your crypto experience. They reward you for being an active member of the Trust Wallet community. You can earn these points through various in-app actions, like staking, swapping, or even just holding certain assets. These points are designed to enhance your journey, offering access to unique perks and opportunities within the ecosystem. Let's dive into how you can start accumulating and utilizing them effectively. Earning Trust Wallet points is straightforward and fun. You can accumulate points by engaging in key activities within the app, such as staking your cryptocurrencies or performing token swaps. Referring new users to Trust Wallet is another excellent way to boost your point balance. Keep an eye out for special community events and promotions, as these often provide opportunities to earn bonus points. The more you interact and contribute, the more points you'll gather, opening up a world of benefits. Once you've accumulated a good number of Trust Wallet points, it's time to explore how to redeem them. These points can unlock a range of exclusive features and premium services within the Trust Wallet ecosystem. Imagine gaining early access to exciting new decentralized applications or participating in special airdrops that are only available to point holders. Some points might even grant you a say in governance votes, giving you a voice in the platform's future. It's all about enhancing your crypto journey. To truly maximize your Trust Wallet points, always stay informed about new earning opportunities and consistently engage with the app. The more active you are, the more rewards you'll unlock. And speaking of upgrades, imagine coming home to a perfectly clean space without lifting a finger. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.